Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. In another video, based on new programming language Mojo. So without any wasting time, let's get started with the video. A revolutionary programming language. Mojo is designed to simplify and streamline the process of software development. In this presentation, we will explore the key features and benefits of Mojo.
Mojo is a new programming language that bridges the gap between research and production by combining Python syntax and ecosystem with systems programming and metaprogramming features. Mojo is still young, but it is designed to become a superset of Python over time. We plan to open source Mojo progressively over time, but it's changing very quickly now. We believe that a small, tight-knit group of engineers with a shared vision can move faster than a community effort, so we will continue to incubate it within Modular until it's more complete. Please see the Mojo FAQ for more information about this and other common questions. The modular inference engine can help simplify your workflow and reduce your inference latency so you can scale your AI products. We've incorporated best-in-class compiler and runtime technologies to create the world's fastest unified inference engine. It supercharges all models from TensorFlow and PyTorch, and runs on a wide variety of hardware backends. Some key features of Mojo programming language are asynchronous I/O, concurrency, dynamically typed, object-oriented, functional programming and metaprogramming. The modular inference engine is the world's fastest unified inference engine, designed to run any TensorFlow or PyTorch model on any hardware backend. This page is built from the same Jupyter notebook that Nick Krieger presented in our launch keynote video, in which he shows how easy it is to load trained models from TensorFlow and PyTorch and run them with our Python API on a variety of CPU backends. We're sharing this executed version of the notebook so you can look closely at the code from the video. Some of the tools and resources available include Mojo Command Line Interface, CLI, Mojolicious Web Framework, CPAN, Mojo Marketplace, Mojo Documentation and Community. Python is a widely used programming language due to its popularity and ease of use. However, its performance and deployment problems have been a concern for some time. Mojo, on the other hand, is a new programming language that addresses these issues. It is based on Python, but offers better performance and deployment capabilities, making it a better choice for performance-critical applications. In 2023, when comparing Mojo versus Python, factors like cost, reviews, features, integrations, deployment, target market, support options, trial offers, and training options can be taken into consideration. Here is some code example between Python and Mojo programming language. Mojo is a newer programming language that is based on Python but aims to solve some of Python's performance and deployment issues. Mojo is designed to be faster and more efficient than Python while still maintaining a high level of readability and ease of use. It achieves this by using a different approach to memory management and optimizing certain language features. Additionally, Mojo provides better deployment capabilities, making it easier to create standalone executables and deploy applications across different platforms. To compile Mojo code, developers can use the Mojo compiler, which is designed to create optimized and efficient code for both CPUs and GPUs. The compiler generates LLVM intermediate representation, which can be further optimized using LLVM's optimization passes. One of the key benefits of using Mojo Lang and the Mojo compiler is the ability to automatically tune code for specific hardware types. This means that developers can write code without having to worry about the specific hardware it will run on, as the compiler will automatically optimize it for the target hardware. Overall, Mojo and its extensions offer a powerful set of tools for developers looking to optimize their AI applications. With its focus on performance and ease of use, Mojo is quickly becoming a popular choice for developers in the AI space. Joining a Discord server is a fantastic way to connect with like-minded individuals and gain access to a wealth of information. Discord is a popular communication platform that brings people together in various communities, whether it's for gaming, hobbies, professional networking, or simply engaging in meaningful discussions. When you join a Discord server, you enter a virtual space dedicated to a particular topic or interest. These servers can range from small, intimate communities to large-scale hubs with thousands of members. Each server typically has its own set of channels, which are dedicated spaces for specific discussions, announcements, or sharing content.